There have been a lot of these kinds of accidents lately. Is the reason inexperience or carelessness? These three friends were just about to enter their friend's house when the friend's dog suddenly appeared. The friends started to panic. In a situation like this, stay calm. They had shopped online and were standing at the door with their orders. One of the neighbors took advantage of the opportunity and grabbed one of the purchased items, thinking it wouldn't be noticed. This child sneaks out without his family's knowledge, and when his father hears the door, he immediately rushes outside. Just as the child is about to step onto the road, they have no shame stealing these packages. Why would you steal? Do you really need it that badly? You're stealing something you've never even seen. If you were truly in need and just asked, people would probably give it to you. Looks like they're searching for a key under the doormat, probably trying their luck. Let this be a warning to you. Don't hide your key anywhere outside. Even after noticing the doorbell camera, they still take the package and open it. There's no hesitation at all, no fear of getting caught. This young man trespassed into the yard and was searching for something to steal. But the homeowner's dog showed up and chased him away. What a big-hearted dog. I'm not sure what kind of precaution can be taken for this, but if you have similar trees nearby, be careful.
Pull that thing over.
The dog was so excited to play in the snow outside, and its happiness caused a bit of a mess. It knocked over the shelf and took it away.
What do you think? That was the stupidest thing you've ever done.
Who are the people responsible for damaging this car? Are they the owner's enemies or something? It happened because of inexperience. I mean, there's such a nice car underneath. How did you even manage to hit it? How did the young person riding the scooter not see what was in front of them? Here's a very clever thief. He places a brick to jump over the iron gate, but doesn't think to just open the gate. When he reaches the house's window, he even starts taking photos. What a creep. Thankfully, someone called the police. Because the police used their brains, they opened the gate and went through, following the direction the thief had gone. I wonder what the person operating the snowplow is doing right now. Who's going to cover the damage to the cars? This is what you call an inexperienced driver. They drove onto the car, then casually got off the car and ran away without a care. It seems like he has something against Easter, because the word Easter was written on the door. He completely smashed the door to pieces. This man asking for help seems like he's escaped from the police, as he has handcuffs on his hands and feet. Be cautious with people like this. If you offer help, you could get into trouble too.
Help me? Can you please help me?
No, you need to leave.
Look, man. Look, can you please help?